more fantastic, more fantastic. Then colorful, colorful, okay, more colorful. So you can see they have 2 or even more syllables, so you need to use more. So you cannot have ER to go after that again. So that is the colorful, more colorful. Then dangerous. Wow, how many syllables can you count? Dangerous. So 3 syllables, right? So you cannot have the ER to go after that again. So we will have the more dangerous. Say more dangerous, more dangerous. Okay, and next one, careful, careful. So careful, careful, more careful. Okay, and next one, handsome, handsome. So more handsome. And next one, so popular, popular. Popular means, ooh, wow, everyone see that and wow, ooh, so that is popular. Okay, everyone like it. Okay, so that's popular. So more popular. Okay, good. So you see, we have the ER. Then to compare with the 2 things or 2 people. So we have, I'm doing the demo. Wait for me. Wait for me. So actually we can have the ER to have the comparison. So that is to compare 2 things or 2 people. So we can use the ER. So Sasha is taller than Lily. Okay, so don't forget them. So now if you have 3 things or 3 people to compare. So wow, you can see that will be the superlative, okay? Superlative. Superlative, okay? So means this is a little bit high level. So maybe you can write down the Chinese. But I think Chinese is too difficult. It's okay. So you can ask the students to help me to write down okay.
How to say it in Chinese?
最高级.
最高级.
Yeah, 最高级. So means you compare with the.
最高.
Yeah, that's right. Something like a top.
Okay.
So you can see superlative means the top, okay? The most, okay? So we use most. Say most. It's a very important word. M-O-S-T, okay? So I think you compare 3 things or above, or 3 people or above, then you will use the superlative. Here you can see we have the this one, the more, okay, for our comparison, more handsome. And here, the number 6 rules, that will be irregular, irregular. Irregular. So irregular means because you will not have the ER, so you cannot follow the rule. It would be changed, totally different. So for example, good, for better, B-E-T-T-E-R. Okay, so now everyone, let's do that again. So small, smaller. So small, smaller. Then cute, cuter. So cute, cuter. Next one, so happy, happy. So happier, happier. And next one for big, big. So bigger, bigger. And next one for more, handsome. Handsome is a big word. So 2 or even more or above syllables, we have the more. So more handsome. Okay, next one for good. So good for better. Do you know bad? B-A-D. So that would be worse. Okay, so I think you can just memorize the 2. Okay, that would be enough. Okay, so good, better, then bad, then worse. So O-R-O-R, so worse. Okay, so now maybe you can have the game. So now you can see if that is the short game, so you can have the match. So small, then smaller. So they need to match, okay? So maybe you can have 2 or even more.
Okay.
You can have more. So maybe you can have the happy, then happier. So that is the matching. Okay, so matching.
Should I make them come up individually or as a
Yeah, maybe you can mix them up then, or even you can ask them to choose. Okay, then you draw the 2 line. Okay, so students, maybe you can try to have the 2 line. Now that will be the original one. So happy. Happy. So which one? So happier. Happier. And small. Then smaller. You can accent. You can draw the lines and ask them to come to pass it on the board. Okay. So they try to figure out what's happy, happier, small, smaller. Yeah, that's right. So that is how we help them to review. Okay. So also you can have more card to do this. So I think that's enough. 1 pair, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that will be enough. Okay. So you can play the game. Then we can help them to do this. So most. So if you have the number 1 rule, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we have the ER to talk about the comparison. I am taller than you. You are shorter than me. Okay. So now we have the EST. So compare. Maybe you compare with 3 things. Okay. We use the EST. So EST. Say EST. East. So smallest. Smallest. Say smallest. Smallest. And then cuter. Then cutest. Okay. Then here. So IEST. Say happy. Happiest. Then big. Bigger than biggest. EST. Then more handsome and most handsome. And here good, better than best. And bad, worse, and worst. WORST. So maybe you can ask them to write it down. You can ask them to write it down. Then
Write it down in their notebooks.
Notebook.
Come to the whiteboard.
Maybe you can ask them to write down, or even you can practice. If you want, I can help you to have this. Then you can print out, then cut, then put them.
I'll give them like a sheet.
One student, one sheet. Then they can pass it on the book. So small, smaller, small, smaller, then smallest. So you can ask them small, smaller, smallest. So when you teach them the comparison, you can play this game. Then when you teach them all, so superlative included, then you can have happiest.
So you can have all 3 of them.
So maybe we can try to have the different part with the game. So maybe you can erase. It's easy to erase. Yeah, very easy to erase. So happy, happier, then happiest. So they need to place the card in order. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. I think you can have 3 example words.
Should they take these today?
Yeah, you can take this. Then next time you can bring it back.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
So you can use this to have the game or activity. Okay, so this is the board. So of course you can use this for your demonstration. So like happy, then happier, then happiest. Okay, so happy, say I am happy, I am happy. Then, that is Sasha. And that is Libby. So who is? Okay. So Sasha and Libby. So Libby is happier than Sasha. Okay. So and Naomi. So happy. So Sasha is happy. Libby is happier than Sasha. Then Naomi is the most. Okay, not most. Happiest. Okay, sorry. Happiest of all, right? Okay. So like this. Okay, so crazy. Crazy happy. So happy. So happy, then crazy happy. Okay, so wow, so you can notice the 3 people or 3 things, and we can have the superlative. And one more thing to remind your student, you need to have le, in front of the superlative. So you need to have le. So here, Naomi is the happiest of all. Okay.
Because I saw that in the book they don't use the.
I think they have this grammar spots. So I think if you follow this way, that would be so completed.
Okay.
So when you teach the you place for the first time, only happy, happier. Then then you play this game, only two. Then compare with 3 things, right? 3 people. Oh, you need to have EST. EST. Then you can draw this, help them to recognize 3 or 4 or more, 100, 1,000, the same. Okay, so most or happiest Then let them know most or more. Only for 2 or even above syllables, then we will use more or most, because it's impossible to tap on ER or EST again. The word will be so big. Yeah, so they then understand. Then you can use this to help them to have the sentences. So you can have this and this. Okay. Then you can have this one. The thing you can have this because we have a lot of adjective. So I think you can play the game. So big, then handsome. You can place the different words. Maybe the only single syllable is okay. And happy.
Well, should I only include the words that are in the book or go?
Maybe you can choose the word in your book.
Sure.
So good and cute and
Bad. Where's the
dangerous, dangerous, colorful, and
popular.
popular. Okay, so you can ask them to spin. So this time, comparison. Okay, so you draw. Maybe you spin the wheel. Okay, so this time, comparison. Comparison. So now let's do this. So maybe you can ask the 2 students. Okay, team 1, team 2, team 3. So you count. Okay, then ready? Then you spin the wheel. Then more colorful. So they need to say more colorful. Okay, so you win. Okay.
And
So
they need to use it in the sentence, make a sentence with this?
maybe you can ask them to do the sentence. So colorful, but I think maybe you can ask them. I couldn't make sure whether they can do that.
Because I saw that there's questions in this chapter, like
so I
what is
think-
more colorful than this dress, or what is more colorful?
Yeah. So which one is colorful? Which one is more colorful? So you can ask them, and they can answer the questions. So then team 2. So the same. Okay, dangerous. Okay, then you can ask the question. Then they need to answer that. Use the comparison. Then maybe you can use the EST. Okay, so this time EST. So EST, superlative EST, okay? So don't forget, if you have this, that will be most, okay? Most. So I think the class, the students, they are talkative, but they are very smart. Smart, talkative. So you can ask them the same, you can ask the question. Biggest. So maybe you can have some, which one? Biggest. The biggest. Which one is the biggest?
Which one is the biggest?
The dice.
The dice is the
or
biggest.
eraser or marker.
Yeah. The dice is the biggest.
Yeah, the dice is the biggest. Good. Okay, so the first one to have the full sentence, they could get the 1 point or maybe a reward card.
Okay. So play for points, and you said like you give away candy or?
Yeah, that's right. Some candy, or even you can have them maybe 100. So you can have, so you're Ethan, okay. So 1 point, or even some something
Yeah.
like that. Okay. Or even you can ask them to roll the dice. So 1,500. So roll the dice. Oh, 500. Oh, 500.
Nice.
Like this. Okay. So from this part, that is the superlative and the comparison. That is the grammar from our vocabulary and our sentence patterns and the game. Then 52 and the 53, that would be the phonics part.
Yeah.
So phonics, that would be easy to have our game. Okay, so Sasha, do you need to make the, so then also we can type it and use the computer to type it.